So did you try this questions, children? Fourth, fifth, sixth, and all. Did you try it at home?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Others?
I got this correct answer, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. Xavier, did you try it? Fourth one?
Yeah, actually, I got disconnected like that day from half of the meeting, sir, so I couldn't join back, sir.
Acha. See, just tell you the concept of this. So fourth one will not waste the time. Once you just try after the concept, okay? Then you can
Okay,
try
sir.
by yourself. A pen stand made up of wood. A pen stand made up of wood is in the shape of cuboid with four conical depressions. See, this depression is there inside. No, this is like cubical. Sorry, conical depressions. If you see this depression, these depressions are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these depressions are like conical depressions are there. Okay, this is conical depression inside.
Okay, sir.
So what is happening here? This is a pen stand. It's a cuboid thing, and there are four conical depressions are there into it. The dimension of the cuboid is given as 15 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 3.5 centimeter. Length, breadth, and height is given for dimension of cuboid. Cuboid is given over here, and the radius of the depression is 0.5. Now cone part, you can see cone part. So cone radius they have given, that is 0.5 centimeter, and height of the cone, that is 1.4 centimeter they have given. So to find the volume of the volume of wood in the entire stand. What is the volume of wood in this entire stand? How to find the volume of wood? Volume of wood. In the entire stand is equals to, in the entire stand is equals to volume of,
Volume of cuboid minus volume of four cones, small cone.
yeah, volume of cuboid minus 4 into volume of cones. So we can use here LBH minus 4 into volume of cones, 1 by 3 pi r square h. So everything is given, children. You can just put and get the value. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. Question 7. Let's question fifth one. A vessel is in the form of inverted cone. Its height is 8 centimeter. Inverted cone. Inverted cone matlab ulta. The vessel is in the form of inverted cone. Cone will be, shape will be like this. This is a form of the vessel. Its height is 8 centimeter. Its height is 8 centimeter. And the radius of its top, which is open at 5 centimeter. Radius is given as 5 centimeter. It is filled with water up to the brim. Brim means पूरा नखा हुआ यहाँ तक, full. They have, it is full of water. This full is full of water. Okay, this complete core is. When lead sorts, each of which is a sphere. See, lead sort means one small lead sort will be there. Okay, this is lead sort, and this is the form of sphere. So this lead sorts you are using, and this lead sort is having radius at 0.5 centimeter. This lead sort you are putting means we don't know how many lead sorts you are putting. When lead sorts, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5 centimeter, are dropped into a vessel. 1/4 of the water, this water is there, no, this 1/4 of water is flowing out. 1/4 of water flows out. When it flows out, if you are dropping this lead salt inside. Okay. If you are putting lead salt inside the vessel, the 1/4 of the water flows out. It means that volume of lead salt is equals to what? 1/4 of the volume of water, right, children?
Yes, sir.
It means that volume of lead salt is equals to 1/4 of the volume of water. So here the question is, find the number of lead shots dropped in the vessel. How many lead shots you are putting inside the vessel? So what we can write here, children? Number of lead shots. The volume of lead shots is equals to 1/4 of the volume of cone. Can we write like this, children? So volume of lead salt, if you are going to write the lead, first you write first line, you just write here, let the number of lead shots be X. Okay. So volume of lead shots will be what? Volume of lead shots will be X into volume of each lead shot is equals to 1 by volume of cone. So X into 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi r cube is equals to, this is 1/4, no? 1/4, and the volume of cone, that is 1/3 pi r square h. See children, here radius are not same. Now here you can write here, this is the sphere part and this here right cone part. So cone radius is equals to 5 centimeter and cone height is equals to 8 centimeter. Okay, and this you rate as R1 for sphere and R2 for cone you can write. If there are different type of radius is there, then don't write this R and R, you just name it as R1 and R2. So put here volume of each lead shot. Lead shot is nothing but a sphere, that is R1, and here write R2. Now you have to find X over here to find this X. Now see, this pi will get cancelled. 3 will get cancelled. How to write in easy method? Let's try to understand. So X into 4 into R1 cube. It means 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 is equals to 1/4 into R2 square, that is 5 into 5 into 8. This much is clear to everyone, children? Till here it's clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you're finding X over here, don't multiply anything. This all part what you are seeing here, no. This everything you send here down, okay? That will become easier to calculate. So 1/4, 5 into 5 into 8, whole divided by 4 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. So if you remove this point, what we can write here? Multiply by 1000 we can write here. If you remove 3 points, you will get here 1000 over here. Now 4 2s are 8, 5 5s are 25, 25 4s are 100, 40. Then 5 will get cancelled like this only. Again 4 10s are 40. So what is the answer? 5 2s are 10, 10 10s are 100. 100 lead shots. Children, you are feeling any difficulty, any part of it?
No, sir.
So in exam, don't multiply simply. If you multiply, this whole thing become complicated. So try to make it easier way. Okay. So everything you're sending down and then you try to cancel. This will take a small time and it's easy to calculate. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. Now question number 6th one. A solid iron pole consists of a cylinder height 220 centimeter. First, what we do, we just draw one cylinder which is height is 220 centimeter. So this is a cylinder which is having height as 220 centimeter. And base diameter is 24. So radius is 12. So this we are just for this cylinder we are writing height is equals to 220 centimeter. Radius is equal to 12 centimeter. After that, which is surmounted by another cylinder. इसके सर पे mount है. Surmounted. Sur means above it. Surmounted by another cylinder, which height is 60 centimeter. Now you draw one more this thing, which is 60 centimeter in height. So what you can draw here, you can draw one cylinder over here, which is 60 centimeter over height. See, this one is another cylinder, which is surmounted. So this you write here H1, R1. Here you write H2, R2. So H2 is 60 centimeter and R2 is 8 centimeter. Find the mass of the pole given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram of mass. Someone is letting in actually.
Sir,
There are two people are coming inside.
all right.
So what we can do here is, see there are two cylindrical poles. This height and this radius, this height and they both are different. So we have to find the mass of the pole. So mass is nothing but weight of the pole actually. You don't think this physics part. Weight is nothing but mass into gravitation. That you know, no.
Yes, sir.
Don't use this thing. Just simply just mass. You just think that volume you have to find. Volume is nothing but weight of means volume. Volume you can find, then multiply by your gram. Then
Sir,
you'll get the answer, right?
I think it is asking the mass, right? So we have to multiply the volume with the density.
Exactly.
We'll get the mass.
Exactly. So density is equal to mass by volume, right? Density
sir.
is given over here. So mass is equal
Yeah,
to
density
directly.
is 1 cm cube over 8
Yeah.
gram.
1 cm cube. The first you find volume, children. All of you find volume. Then aram se will find the mass of it. So
Sir,
volume.
these are easy numbers. Sir, and the questions in the what can you say, the last question, sir.
Hmm.
That exercise is not from the examination point of view. That one.
Huh.
That is nice question, sir. We can try about that after.
Exactly. That is optional. That one, right? One. That no.
Yes, sir. That option.
Hmm. So volume of pole is equals to volume of first cylinder plus volume of second cylinder. So this is nothing but pi r square, r1 square h1 plus pi r2 square h2. So here you take pi common. Pi you take common, 22 by 7. In bracket you can write r1 square h1 plus r2 square h2. So 22 by 7 r1 square. So r1 is nothing but 12 into 12 into h1, that is 220 plus 8 into 8 into 60. So you have to, this is a very big question, so much multiplication is there, right children here? Yes. So 12 into 12, that is 144. Then 144 into 22. 144 into 22, what will come? You get 3168. 3168 and followed by 0. So 31680 plus 8 8 just 64. 64 into 6, 384. 3840. and you can just divide by 22 by 7. So we can write here 22 by 7 multiply by 3 1. So you can write here 0 0 0 8 4 12 9 6 15 4 1 5 3 35520. Then you can do 35520 and here 7 you just divide here. So 22 by 7, or will you cancel here? No. So what do you get? What you will get, children? It will divide by 7. I
You
don't.
will get, sir, in point I am saying 111,634.28.
Hmm. So this is not complete, no? Volume of coal is coming something what? It's coming in my this one point is coming or what?
Sir, it's coming in points, sir.
Point only.
Yeah.
In
Yeah.
exercise, you see, in exercise, what is coming?
Oh, in exercise, I will check. Yes, sir.
Exercise 13.2, question number 6. Check what is coming there. So volume, if you just divide here, this one 3 3 7 5 are 35. Carry 1 means 35, then 0 will come, 5 will not go. 7 7s are 49, 3 will come, 7 4s are 28, 2
Sir,
point
it's which exercise?
13.2. So 5074 5074.3 multiply by 22. You'll get 111,634.6. This is the volume of the pole, and if you multiply by 1 centimeter, 8 grams, so multiply by 8, you'll get 893,076.8. This is your grams. If you convert into kg, you will get 893.076 kg.
So we did a small mistake. So while doing the sum,
Where you did?
so we have to divide the 25 so to multiply, then we will get the correct answer.
Where you should multiply
Sir, the answer
25?
is 100% correct, sir.
Huh?
Sir, the answer is 100% correct.
Correct.
Yeah. I just see one difference that here, sir, 111,634.8 must be there.
Okay, fine.
All right. I think that's
Here I have not taken approximate, I have taken no here. That's why.
yeah. So and that's
Yeah, answer is
it's
correct. I have
correct,
also seen. Answer is bit 1 point difference it may comes, yes. So what you are saying, Javian, where we did mistake you are saying?
So I'm saying the pi value is there, right? So if we divide the pi value, like if we divide 22 by 7, we will get 3.14. And then if we divide 3.14 with 35520,
In question they have given no, that's why answer is coming bit thing. That's it. See here they have given question only 3.14. That's why point may be here and there, but answer is correct only. Okay, 3.14 into you can do 35520. You can multiply this, then you multiply by 8 grams. Understood, children? You will get the same answer. Understood, everyone?
yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
if we
Yes,
round
sir.
up, sir, the difference comes bigger, sir. Here
Yeah,
you
yeah.
get the answer 893.076. The real answer is 892.262
Yeah,
kg.
that's I'm saying.
Yeah.
That only that's why this point is there, no? That only you should get.
Yeah.
So next question is question number 7. Understood, no, Javian?
Yes, I understood, sir.
Yeah. This part you can. We have not seen the question they have asked 3.14. That's why we have not did that. Okay, question number 7. So solids consisting of right circular cone a solid consisting of right circular cone, height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter. Standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter is placed upright in a right circular cylinder. So first they are saying a solid consisting of right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius standing on hemisphere.
So this both will say, touch the end and the bottom of the cylinder.
So this is like
Yes.
this, no, like this one cylinder and cone is like this, correct?
No, sir, no, sir, no, sir. It's not like it.
So it is like this.
No, no, no.
So the cone is inside the cylinder, sir.
Okay,
Yeah,
let
sir,
me check
this-
once. Wait.
see, sir, there is a
Wait.
hemisphere.
Let me
No.
check. I have not read
Yeah.
the question properly. Wait, let me understand. A solid consists of right circular cone of height this much and this is standing on a hemisphere is placed upright in a right circular. First we make a right circular cylinder first, then we decide what is happening over here. So this is your cylinder. Pool of water such as touches the bottom. Okay. Standing on a hemisphere, placed upright. Pool of water touches the bottom of it. So this is the find the volume of this. What equal things are coming? One is cone. Standing on. Acha, hemisphere is also there. Okay. Placed upright in right. Okay. So here hemisphere is there inside the cylinder only, right, children? One
Sir.
hemisphere
Yes,
is there. Then on that one cone is there, right?
Yes, sir.
A solid consists of right circular cone of height standing on hemisphere. Okay. One hemisphere will come inside. And on this hemisphere, cone is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter upright. The first we write here, cone height is 120. This height is 120 from here to here. Next, radius is 60. So we write here radius is 60 of the cone. Standing on hemisphere of radius 60, same only. Hemisphere radius is 60 only. Placed full of water. Find the volume of fluid. If the radius of cylinder is 60 only, okay, fine. And height is 180. This whole height of the cylinder is what? 180. It means that this hemisphere is there. No, this is also 60 part only. Radius is 60. Exactly, it's coming, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have to find what? Find the volume left out in the cylinder. The volume of cylinder minus volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. So what we have to write here? Volume of water left. Volume of water left is equals to volume of cylinder minus, in bracket if you write volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Is it clear to everyone?
So I did not understand this part. So why, like, we took volume of water is equal to volume of cylinder, then sir we can directly minus it with volume of solid, right, sir?
Yeah, volume of solid is what? That volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere only, no?
Okay, sir.
See, volume of solid is what? See, volume of cylinder minus volume of solid. And what is volume of solid? Volume of solid is nothing but volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So we make 3 columns over here. Once we write for cylinder, one we write for cone, and one we write for hemisphere. So write one line over here. So cylinder radius is 60 centimeter and height is 180 centimeter. First you make in exam time, children. Otherwise this became mistake if you take common something and all. And cone radius is 60 centimeter only and height is 120 centimeter. We don't require L, so we are not finding L also. Hemisphere, your radius of the hemisphere is 60 centimeter. So this is clear now. So volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h, minus volume of cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h, 1 by 3 pi r square h, plus volume of hemisphere, 2 by 3 pi r cube. So better what we do now, children, we just remove this bracket from here. I'll remove bracket from here and write here minus. Okay, I'll write here 1 by 3, I'll write here minus. Can we do like this?
Yes, sir.
Then what we do, we just take pi common from here, pi r square common, because r is same everywhere. See, r is same, r is same, r is same. While taking common, you just see whether it is same or not. Okay. Now height is what? Height is different, so we can't take height. So here you write h1 and here you write h2 because these both are different. So cylinder you take it as h1 and here you take it as h2. Pi r square, if you take common, you will get h1 minus h2 and minus, not minus h2, 1 by 3 h2, 1 by 3 h2 minus 2 by 3 r. Then what we can write over here, 22 by 7, radius r square 60 into 60 multiply by h1, that is 180, minus 1 by 3 h2, that is 120, minus 2 by 3 2 by 3 radius, that is 60. So cancel here, 3 4s are 12, 320 are 60. Then we can write over here 22 by 7 into 3600, 180 minus 40, 140, 140 minus 20 is 120. Correct? No, 40 minus 60, 120 will come. Now we have to solve. 22 by 7 into 3600 into 120. It doesn't go by 7, right? Here they have not given now to put here pi value. Children, pi is 3.14. They have not given, right? So this will come in centimeter cube, correct? Now you have to solve. Approximate, if you want to do, you can do that. 3.14 into 3600 into 120 centimeter cube. And if you want answer in meter cube, then you can divide by what, children?
Sir,
It-
it's divided by 10 lakh.
Yeah, 3.14 into 3600 into 120. See, centimeter to meter conversion, we have to multiply by 100. So here 3 centimeter are there. It should means we should divide by how much? 100 into 100 into 100 into 100. So this point will go, means here again 20 will come. So what you do, this 20 get cancelled, 30 get cancelled. Again you have to multiply and put point. Okay, what you just get, just multiply. What you get? 314 into 36 into 12. So we're getting 135,648. 135,648 divided by 1 followed by 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5. So here you should count 1 2 3 4 5. You should count. You should put their point. 1.35648 meter cube of water left out. Is it clear?
Yes, sir, it is clear.
So see, here also answer may come something point here and there because I've taken 3.14. But here in the question, you have to take 22 by 7. But initial only they have told, no, you should take 22 by 7. If you see here, very first only, see what they have given. Unless stated otherwise, take 22 by 7. Question में mention नहीं है, तो क्या लेना है? 22 by 7 ही लेना है. If it is not
So
mentioned,
I have a doubt, sir. तो वो ब्रैकेट पे हम लोग 180 minus 1/3 into 120 फिर माइनस क्यों लिए? So we can take it as plus, right?
See here, we have, here you are saying,
नहीं सर, वो ब्रैकेट पे है ना, 22/7
here,
into 60 into 60
yeah,
वहां पे सर.
where you have taken minus? Here we have taken minus now.
And then sir, we have again taken a second minus.
Yeah, because here is minus is given over here. See,
So sir, what if we take plus, sir?
see, this is bracket, no? So if you open the bracket, what happens? This will become minus, no? Understood what I'm
Yes
saying?
sir.
That's why you're putting minus over here and here also minus. We are putting simply in the formula. See, this minus we wrote as it is here, minus. See, understood?
Yes sir.
We are putting here minus. We are simply putting the formula. We are not changing the sign. Simply put the formula. That's it. Anyone having doubt in this, children? Anyone having doubt? No one is having doubt. Okay. Move to the next sum. That is question number 8. Last sum of the exercise. A spherical vessel. Spherical matlab round shaped vessel. Okay. Okay. A spherical vessel has a cylindrical neck. Okay. This is having one cylindrical neck. Cylindrical neck. Okay. This is like cylindrical neck. A spherical glass vessel has cylindrical neck. So we'll make here neck is like cylindrical neck is there, no? We just make like this. So cylindrical neck is 8 centimeter long. And here you just write here, but don't write here directly. What you do, no? One arrow you put and write here. H is equals to 8 centimeter and radius is equals to 1 centimeter. The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 centimeter. So diameter is 8.5. The radius of this is 8.5 divided by 2 centimeter. By measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds its volume to be 345 centimeter cubes. By measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds volume is what? 345 centimeter cube. It means you can find the volume by adding first one and second one volume. This is first, this is second. If you add the volume, what you should get? 345 centimeter cube. So
Sir, I think that guy is not correct, sir. As sir, the correct volume is 346.51 cm.
346.5.
Yes sir. 346.51.
Okay, okay, fine. So children, you just try at home, okay? So volume of what? What is this? Glass vessel. Vessel.
Cylindrical part.
Yeah. Whole thing you write. Volume of vessel is equal to cylinder. Volume of cylinder plus volume of volume of sphere. You just add from your side. You get to check whether it's correct or not. Okay. So I'll move to the next exercise. Okay, children.
Okay, sir. Sir, just can I just shut off my camera for 9 minutes?
Yeah, yeah, fine. All
Till
right.
8:30.
Fine. So now we are moving to the next exercise, that is exercise 13.3. What is this? It's not coming only. Others, you are practicing the things. Others,
Yes, sir.
you are practicing, no, everything. Hemant, you are understanding? Hemant? All right. Tomorrow test is there on number system, children. We have not did any new chapter. So test is there on number system only, okay? Prepare for it. I have mentioned in the group also. I have prepared in the group also, I mentioned that. So this recast thing, no, this is very interesting actually exercise. If anything you are making, no, recasting is nothing but, you know, Suppose you are having any spherical thing, you are not okay. I have not shared, no. Sharing. See children, in this type of questions, if any spherical thing you are having, suppose, so this can be, suppose you are having mittika, this you are having soil, right? And this is like loose soil. You can make either cone, whatever cone also you can make by the help of this. It means that volume of this sphere is equals to what? This number of volume of cones, both will be same only, right? So this is the concept we are going to learn in this exercise. So they will give that one is big spherical cone is there. We are going to make small cones. How many cones will be there? So volume of big sphere is nothing but what? X we take, let the number of the cones will be X, the X into volume of cones. Then we have to compare, find the value of X. That's it. This is the only concept what we are going to use in this exercise. Okay. Means recombination, reshaping of the figures, reshaping of the figures. Right? See in this question what they have given, try to understand. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2. Sphere is given. I write here sphere radius is equals to 4.2 centimeter. Is melted. You are going to melt that sphere and recast into a shape of cylinder. This one you are going to recast into what? Cylinder. Cylinder of radius what? 6 centimeter. So only one sphere is there and one cylinder also. So find the height of the cylinder. You have to find the height of the cylinder. This is very easy, children. Simply you should write that volume of sphere is equals to what? Volume of cylinder. Volume of sphere is equals to volume of cylinder. And cylinder here write R1 and R2 because radius are not same. So volume of sphere you write it as pi r square h. R1 you write here. A sphere is there, no? So we should not write 4 by pi r square h. We should write here. What we should write, Javian?
Yes, sir.
4 by 3 pi r cube. So
Cube.
R1 is equals to pi r square
Square.
r2 square h.
So why are we taking squares and not cube?
Where?
So you wrote 4 by 3 pi r cube, one
Yeah.
then so is equal to pi r square, so you wrote. So why aren't we taking cube in that? Also?
See, I am taking the volume of cylinder. The volume of cylinder is what? Pi r square h. What is the volume of sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. So I am using the formula. I am not using anything else.
Okay, sir.
So both side pi is coming. So simply what you do, pi and pi first you cancel it off. Okay. Now see 4 by 3. You can write here 4 by 3 R1 cube. R1 cube is nothing but 4.1. Sorry, 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2 is equals to R2 cube. That is 6 into 6 into h. So if you're writing h, no. So simply what you should do, you know, simply you send this 6 and 6 here down. No need to multiplication. Never multiply, children. Otherwise it become complicated. Okay. Never multiply in the exam. Simply should send here and there. If you do multiplication, then gone case. So you should write here 4 by 3 into 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2 divided by 6 into 6. Remove this point, remove this point, remove this point, and put here 1000. Others, it's clear why you're putting 1000 over here or not?
Yes, sir.
After point, there are 3 digits, so we are putting 3 zeros. Now, 6 sevens are 42, 6 sevens are 42, 3 12, or what will come? 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. 14. Now we can multiply. 7 sevens are 49. 49 into 4 into 14. 49 into 56, right, children? See, 7 are 49 and 49 into what? 56. 6. 14 4 is 56. It will come 2744. And if you're dividing by 1000, what do you get? 2.744 centimeter. This is the height of cylinder. Check it once, children. We are getting same or not? 7 7 is 49.
Yes, sir, it's correct, sir.
Okay.
Correct, sir.
You're getting doubt, children, here? No one is getting doubt here.
No, sir, not it.
How many exercises are there? 13.5. No exercises are there, Samad?
Sir, I think they are 13. Yeah, they are 13.
Mhm. So we have taken the toughest chapter actually, right? Taken that this chapter will take bit time actually. This chapter will take time.
Yeah. It's a big chapter.
Hmm. So might they have not started in first batch, no?
I don't think so, sir.
AP is interesting chapter. AP is very easy and it's interesting also. Arithmetic progression.
Okay.
You read that, no, Samal?
Yes, sir, I have completed.
So question number 2. You people are having network problem or what? Leaving the meeting, coming back. Why network problem is coming?
Yes, sir.
Rasool, Praharshan, you people are not turning the camera. Rasool.
Sir, I turned on my camera, but the
Acha, okay.
footage just got stuck.
Javian and Rasool. Javian or Rasool, I can see Rasool now. Then, okay, fine. Now, metallic sphere of radius. There are 3 spheres are there, okay. So I'm writing here 3 spheres. Sphere 1, sphere 2, sphere 3. 3 spheres are there. First sphere is radius 6 centimeter. Second sphere radius is 8 centimeter. Third sphere radius is 10 centimeter. See, all the radius are different. You write here R1, R2, R3. And this whole sphere is going to melt are melted to form a single solid sphere, bada sa. So this you just think a small sphere is S, small s, and one big sphere we are making capital S. So we have to what we have to find the radius of the bigger sphere. Understood, children? What we are doing here? 3 small spheres are there, S1, S2, S3, and we are melting together, and we are forming a big sphere, and we have to find the radius of the big sphere over here. It means volume of all the 3 spheres is equals to what? Volume of bigger sphere. So volume of S1 plus S2 plus S3, write here small only, is equals to what? Is equals to volume of capital S. Okay. So volume of S1 we can write it as 4 by 3 pi R1 cube plus 4 by 3 pi R2 cube plus 4 by 3 pi R3 cube is equals to 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. Is it clear, children, or not?
Yes.
Now don't multiply this 4 by 3 pi R cube. Don't find separately. First to try to take out what? Common from everything. From this 3 you can take common as what? 4 by 3 pi you can take common. So we'll get here R1 cube plus R2 cube plus R3 cube is equals to 4 by 3 pi R cube. Javin, after this, what we need to do?
So after this, sir, we need to add the R values, sir.
Others, what we need to do here?
Sir, we should get the values of the radius.
Yeah, we can cancel here now. 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi cancel. Can we cancel it out?
sir.
So we can write it here as R1 cube plus R2 cube plus R3 cube is equals to R to the power 3. So here 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube is equals to R to the power 3. So 216, 512,000. So R cube is equal to what we'll get? Add this, children. 268, 1, 2.
So 1728.
So what is R? Cube root of 1728. Is it 12?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Answer is 12
Answer is 12, sir.
12 centimeter. Like this only you should do, children. Okay, try to make it easier. Next question is question number 3rd. Now this is very interesting question, children. This is third and fourth one. Okay, third and fourth one is bit interesting question. You have to understand it properly. Okay. So third one question, you have done no Samarth.
Yes, sir. Done.
So-
I have done it yesterday.
Okay. A 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 centimeter. Very just interesting, children. Try to understand with deep what they are asking the question. A 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter. So first you just draw one deep well over here. So this well is diameter 7 meter. Right here, diameter means radius is 7 by 2 meters. This is a well. Is dug a 20-meter deep well. So this also height also right here. Height is equal to 20 meters. 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug and earthed, and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to form a platform. See, this is your land, children. Try to understand. This is the land part. Here, this is the land, right? Again, see, this is the land part. I'm just writing here. This whole thing is down is land. This down whole thing is land. Now the sphere, what you can see, sorry, this cylinder part, what you can see, that land part you are taking out from inside, okay? And you are spreading where you are spreading this one? On the top. You are making this, taking it out, and you are making one cuboid you are making, that one platform you are making. Understood, children?
Understood.
And platform is 22 meter. Just make here one. So this is one platform they are making by taking out this soil only, and they are using one platform. So this platform length and breadth is given. Length is equal to 22 meter. Breadth is equal to 14 meter. So you have to find height. So this is like easy question only, children. Maybe third, fourth one question may be tough. So this is nothing but volume of this cylinder is equals to volume of this cuboid, correct? Volume of the cylinder. Javian, where you are seeing? Somewhere you are thinking.
No, sir, actually my mom was asking me something, so I was just
Okay.
listening to her, sir.
So here
Sorry.
volume of cylinder is equals to volume of cuboid. So volume of cylinder is equals to volume of cuboid. So cylinder is pi r square h, pi r square h, and cuboid is lbh. So this is h1 you put, this is h2. These both are different. Now pi, you have to find h2, right, children? So right here pi 22 by 7. Cylinder height is 20. First you write this one. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into h 20 is equals to lbh 22 into 14 into h2. So h2 is equal to what you should write? h2 is equal to 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 20. And here divide by 22 into 14 we do. 22 into 14. If you multiply it, then it become complicated. Don't multiply. This is the trick only you should learn. Don't multiply anywhere. Now you just cancel. 7 7 cancel. 7 2s are 14. Then 22 cancelled. Then 4 5s are 20. So height is 2.5 meters. Is it clear, children?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Others, you can do this type of questions now. You're practicing or not at home?
Is it 4, 5, 4? I
Is
think
it?
here you did wrong.
What?
Here you cancelled 20 and wrote 5.
Why I wrote cancel? No, because 4 I have taken. 2 2s are 4. At least at a time only taken. 4 5s are 20. Not by 2. See, 2
Yes,
and
sir.
2 was down and here 20 was there. So what I did? 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. Like this I did.
Yes, sir.
Now question number 4th. This may be difficult to you. Question number 4th if you see. Thinking part only is bit interesting here. Question number 4th. Just try to understand question number 4th. Others, you should tell me what is question number 4 they are saying in the question. A well of diameter 3 meter is dug. A well of diameter 3 meters. So first we make the well over here. Okay. First we make well. So this is big. Oh, what kind of well is this? So this is the well. Samarth, what is you laughing, man?
So you were saying what kind of well, I don't know. One item.
So a well of diameter 3 meter. So this diameter is given as 3 meter, means radius we should write here. No, it's coming so dark. No, that's why I told.
Okay, sir.
So R is equals to 3 by 2 meter. And dug 14 meter deep, means H is equals to 14 meter. The earth taken out of it has spread even all around in the shape of cylinder, shape of circular ring. So here we are not taking it separately. Here only if you see, no, here only around this one, no, we are making one circular ring. Okay. This mud inside, from this mud we take it out. Inside all the mud we take it out, and we are spreading where we are spreading here, this part. See,
Around the world.
around this one, no, we are just spreading it out. You can imagine. Okay, this mud we are spreading out on the surface, and this width they are given here. Width of this one is 4 meters. To form an embankment. So find the height of embankment. Now see, children, this embankment you try to understand. This is like this will be there, right? Inside well will be there, and height is there. Something height will come. Correct, children, or not?
Correct.
So what?
Yes, sir.
What is the volume of this embankment? See, capital big R square minus small r square. First you do that. So we can write here pi r square minus r square is the area of what? Concentric circles. You know that concentric circle area. Others?
Yes.
Easy, no? See, this is big circle area. You know, others. Pi r square. Suppose this is pi r square, and we don't want this one. It means we should subtract pi r square. That's it. Understood? So we'll get the area of this topper part. What we can shed? No, this one. This part we can get. This part. This whole part we get. So, and if you multiply by h, no, you'll get the volume of embankment. Is it clear now, Adarsh?
Yes, sir.
Javian, it's clear. First time you might be hearing of embankment.
Yes, sir.
Just try to understand. That's it. Rasul, you are getting Rasul Hemant. You people are getting Rasul.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So volume of this is nothing but volume of embankment. This is nothing but volume of embankment. Here everything you know. What is capital R, children, and what is small r? You have to try to understand here. A small r is nothing but this radius of the well only. That is 3/2 meters. Now capital R is equals to what? 3/2 plus 4. 3/2 plus 4. That what will come? 4 to the 8, 3, 11/2 meters. Understood, children? Capital R is 11/2. Capital R is 11/2 and a small r is 3/2. Capital R is equals to that. See, capital R, how it is coming. See, this is a point that you should take from this one, children. From this part, you can see, no. The radius will be remains the same, 3/2 for inside. Then outside, how much width is extending, that we should add over here. So 11/2 meters. Anyone having doubt in this, children? Capital R and small r.
No, sir.
No.
So we have to find here a height of the embankment. So volume of cylinder, volume of well, right here, volume of well is equals to volume of embankment. Correct? So volume of well is nothing but pi r square h, and volume of embankment is nothing but pi capital R square minus small r square into h. Why I told this one? So that this is going to use in the formula only. And if you are not understanding, you can't understand. So now we can write it here as pi, you make it cancel. We can write here r, and h is same. H is same everywhere? No. Here you write h1, here you write h2. Separate right here. For volume of well, you write here h1, and here you write h2. Okay. So r h1, r square h1 is equals to r square plus minus r square. We can write r plus r and r minus r into h2. Now we put the values. R value is 3/2 into 3/2 into h1, that is 14, is equals to r plus r. Capital R, that is 11/2 plus 3/2 and 11/2 minus 3/2 into h2. We have to find h2 only. If you are having any small doubt, you can ask anywhere. So now here cancel, you make it. Which one you can cancel? That you cancel out. 2 7s are. So 3 into 3 into 7 divided by 2 is equals to 14/2, that is 7. Multiply by 11 minus 3, that is 8. 8/2 is 4. Multiply by h2. Is it clear, children? I have written here directly. You just solve this one. You'll get 7. And if you solve this part, you'll get 4. Okay. Then you can write here as h2 is equals to 3 into 3 into 7 divided by 2 into 7 into 4. 7 cancelled. 9/8 is coming. And 9/8 is nothing but 1.125 is coming, or what?
125, sir. Yeah,
Yeah.
1.1 meters.
Yes, sir.
So this is the height of the embankment. This is the height of the embankment, what you are getting. This is the height, that is 1.125 meters. Is it
Alright.
clear, children? Anyone having doubt, they can ask
Yes.
questions.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Others, you understood how to
Yes,
solve
sir.
how to solve in easy way. You are getting, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So if you practice only 2 times, you practice, you will get to know. This is maths is only for practicing, you know. You should know the formula, you should practice. Nothing to remember. So this is the easiest subject in the world, you know, maths. where
Yes.
you should not remember anything. Once you understand means you can do. You can do mistake, but you should not feel burden on this. Okay, thank you, children. This much only for today. Okay, you just try to do more sums based on this. And tomorrow is the exam based on number system. You try once again tomorrow, write the test,
So number system.
because we are repeating now because we have not finished any other chapter right till now. Number system is real numbers.
Sir, we can do about probability, right?
Which one?
Probability is nothing. So probability, sir. We can do about it.
But probability we
That
have
is-
I have not taught now.
Oh,
You might can do, but other people have not taught me, so I can't say
sir,
no.
there is nothing in probability, sir.
I know,
So
but
Sir, it's
everyone
just
can.
a vision.
I know nothing is there in probability, but ICSE board children can do because they are having in ninth also, eighth also they are having, ninth also having, 10th also having.
Sir, we are having in 8th, 9th, and 10th,
Eighth you are not
11th,
having.
12th.
Eighth
Sir,
you are not.
I think it is there.
No,
sir.
no, eighth is not there. Ninth you are having a small part of it. Okay, ninth very small, not much.
Sir, 10th is just the same as 9th, and their maximum of it is in 11th. Sir.
11th is entirely different. Leave about
Yeah.
11th.
Yeah, 11th and 12th, that's difficult.
Yeah, that is not linked only with 10th. That is very high five. 11th,
Yes,
12th
sir.
part. Yeah,
10th is just basic, sir. We can do it.
yeah. 10th is basic only. ICC, what is there in class 8th? We were having in class 10th. ICC board, what they are having in class 8th, we were having in class 10th.
Yeah.
In ICSE board, what if they read the book only, they'll get out of out. Means they in the exam paper will be easier for them, for ICSE board children. Means if they did only book, they will get nice marks. But if you do NCRT and all, you'll not score marks. You should do so much work hard because they will twisting the questions in the boards.
My bad.
Okay, children, all of you can leave for the
Sir,
day.
then what's the